If things don't hit the same anymore, even though nothing in your life has actually changed, this might be why. You sit down to watch something, but within minutes, you're on your phone. You scroll for a while, switch between apps, watch a few things, and then stop. Not because you're satisfied, but because you're just done. You wait all week for free time, and when it finally comes, you don't feel excited, you just feel blank. It's not that you don't have things to enjoy. It's that they don't hit the same anymore. If this sounds like you too, hear me out. Your brain is wired to enjoy things that feel new. And every time something grabs your attention, your brain gives you a small reward. Now the problem is, today you're getting that reward constantly. Short videos, endless scrolling, instant entertainment, all the time. Every swipe gives you something new, something quick, something easy. And over time, your brain adapts. What used to feel exciting now feels normal. And what feels normal starts to feel boring. But that's only part of the story. Even when you're doing something, your mind isn't really there. You're thinking about work, about what's next, about something you said, or you're half watching, while also checking your phone. So, instead of one experience, your attention is split, and enjoyment needs attention. That's why you can watch an entire episode, but barely remember it. Or sit with people you like, and still feel disconnected. And you know what? This third one is an icing on the cake. It's something you have completely missed. Somewhere along the way, you stopped just doing things and started thinking about them. Is this worth my time? Is this the best option? Should I be doing something more productive? Even while you're in the moment, a part of your mind is outside, thinking about capturing it, posting it. What if there's something better? So instead of feeling the experience, you're quietly judging and comparing it. Even during a perfect moment, you don't fully commit. All these three combined, even good moments start to feel incomplete. That's why nothing feels as enjoyable as it used to. Not because those things changed, but because something in us did. We didn't lose interest. We just got used to too much and too little at the same time. So why don't we just start slowing down to feel again? Because the truth is, enjoyment didn't leave us. It's us who haven't been there to enjoy. This is Hear Me Out. What's on your mind today?